Are you planning a home renovation, massive clean-out, or construction project? Big Dawg Dumpsters has covered you with our unbeatable cheap dumpster rental in Port Charlotte, Florida. Dive into a hassle-free experience where managing waste is as easy as pie. With various dumpster sizes to fit your needs, we ensure you have the perfect container for every job. From household clutter to yard waste and construction debris, Big Dawg Dumpsters turns cleanup into a breeze. Contact us at 743-244-3294 or check out our services at www.bigdawgfl.com, and let's get your project rolling. At Big Dawg Dumpsters, we bring fun and efficiency to your doorstep. Our dedicated team ensures a swift, reliable, and exciting rental experience. Imagine a smooth, stress-free process where you fill up, and we handle the rest. With Big Dawg Dumpsters, affordability meets excellence. Choose our cheap dumpster rental in Port Charlotte, Florida, and discover how easy waste management can be. Get ahead of the game, pick the right size, and let's make your project a smashing success. Call us today at 743-244-3294 and join the Big Dawg family for a fantastic dumpster rental adventure.